Hello everyone, welcome here. This section is specially designed for ChatGPT for Excel professionals. How to use ChatGPT in your Excel office works. So a very super easy techniques. If you know how to ask ChatGPT, then you will get a solution for your Excel. Is it possible? Yes, damn sure it is possible. See, here expressing of sum with ChatGPT I'm going to explaining in this video. So Excel we can easily identify these are airfares total and food, car, shop. These are the items are their budget, and here the total of amount it is here. Now you know that from here to here if you select and go for here like a sum, alt plus equal is in a shortcut, or by clicking this option you will get in a total of these marks. Perfect. And also if you've written like equal to sum of B2 to B7, like it's an empty B6 or B7. If you've written the formula, which is here the formula, then automatically you will get a sum of the total of this particular information. If it is a huge data and you know the starting point and ending point of the cells and how ChatGPT is helping you to create a formula for you. Really? We'll see. I'm deleting here that this particular information. See, I'm just asking ChatGPT to write a formula in Excel that sum the values in column B2. See, from here you can see it's a B2 and like a 2 B6, like a B column 6th. This is the cell position, it's on a B6. We have to identify cell position in that way. And getting use a sum function, I'm writing a sum query to this particular. Just take a copy of this text. This query to ChatGPT I'm trying to asking. What help ChatGPT will do for us? Just I'm submitting and hitting this query. Wow. To sum the values of B2 to B6, use the sum function in Excel following these steps. See, click on empty cell anywhere. Actually, the result where you want to present, there we can use the cell selection and type the following formula equal to sum equal to B2 to like a B2 colon B6, where how we can implement a formula in Excel. ChatGPT is suggesting us and written for us and given for us. So press the enter and all the intermediary steps also it is given for us. So press the enter to return calculate the sum. The result will be displayed in the cell you selected in the step 1. What the cell you have selected in the step 1, it will. See, note, some function Excel adds upon range of cells specified by the range references with the parenthesis. In this case is range reference B2 to B6, which represent like a B2, B3, B4, B6 and B6. So this way cell the formula is also explained. So I'm trying to getting here is the result. So what I'm trying to doing, selecting the cell in the formula bar, I'm pasting the formula which is suggested by ChatGPT. So if by hitting the enter, see automatically we are getting a total. And if you want in this selection area, like here if you want get, yes you can just paste the like a formula which we have taken from ChatGPT, you can paste it. Wow. So how beautifully ChatGPT is creating a formulas for us using in Excel office productivity. Make sure to making automation with the help of AI tool. I hope this lecture will help you to how you can implement Excel more functionality with the help of ChatGPT. If you don't know anything, yes, be ready and try to practice like a basic steps, then implement how to write a query, then you will get a proper result in this area.